shifts in overdrive. He's been up and down this road so many times. The man of his own, such him just keeps it moving. Only the road can tame the rebel in himself. It's the rhythm of the highway as it rolls on by. And city lights as the faithful side drives a man behind the driving wheels. Like a cowboy in a rodeo, riding hard but never letting go. He'll be wandering through the twilight of his life. Waylon Jennings on the radio, country music and the edges roll. Like a shooting star across a desert sky. If he's got a home, it's out on the blue horizon. Heaven only knows. There's still a rebel in his soul. It's the rhythm of the highway as it rolls on by. And city lights as it fades from sight drives a man behind the driving wheels. And chasing sunrise in a distant sky. Open grains from the mountains high drives a man behind the driving wheels. Yeah. Well, he's all about settling down, little down along the edge of town. But in this world of push and shove, he still got